Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, uthando nesithembu. When they say family has conflict, they're not playing. Uthando nesithembu, for YouTube purposes, is a real novella that plays on TV, just explaining briefly the lives of people. It's like a reality TV, only it pertains family members in a polygamy setup. Now that we've got that out of the way, guys, this is the I want us to discuss this, digest this, break this one down, because wow. Did Mpumelelo insult his mother like that? By mother, I mean Mangwabe. Mpumelelo carried Mangwabe's child and said, your mother must tell us the truth. Uguti lekhanda lakabani ngoba alfan. Yay! Guys, you Mpumelelo, you this boy. Mpumelelo is disrespectful. Mpumelelo is disrespectful. Mpumelelo thinks he is Musamseleku. Mpumelelo in his little mind believes that he is these wives' husband. Wow! How do you dare say, yo? Guys, in a black culture, that's a serious insult to say one of your mother's children does not look like the father's side of the family, because it insinuates that the mother went somewhere and opened what she shouldn't be opening to some person that they shouldn't be opening it to, therefore making her no. Abazalwane, ngicela ukuthi ngixoleleni if I have ever insinuated anything that makes you believe ukuthi lo mfana lo ngiyamuzwa. How? Mpumelelo. Yup. And now Mangwabe is saying, funny for you to say that then and now keep quiet, because the child that you have with Utirelo has the same head that looks like my child. So question is, which I doubt, this is now Mangwabe saying these words on her diary sessions. Question is, which I doubt you did, is that did you ask Utirelo ukuthi lekhanda leli plat lomntanakho libuyaphi, considering ukuthi abantwana bakamseleko abanawo amakhanda plat. Hey guys, this I can't wait for the next season, guys. I can't wait for the next season. Now we are waiting for Tirelo's response when Izingani Zestembu begins, where Utirelo is going to respond to this conversation. And knowing Utirelo, Ugutina, she has no filter, the response might not land well when it arrives to Umangwabe. Now this is the question, umusuzo yenzani manje makoti mabase badelelana nomamezala, because literally now it's going to be like Sibindi and Tirelo versus Umangwabe. Guys, no, I don't know, but how did you guys receive it? How did you guys hear that? For me, it was utter disrespect, and there is nothing that you guys can say for me to see it otherwise. As a child, you have it's disrespect if it's said by anybody else, but it's even worse as a child when you utter such words. But yeah, let me know what you think about the whole thing. This is your girl, Disebo D. I love you. Peace. Bye.